Hello everyone, I am Baby Smulong and I am here to tell you a story. When I was a child, I discovered that I love creating. I can remember that I made costumes out of paper bags and packaging. I dressed my old dolls using my old clothes and learned how to alter my clothes to fit because I thought that fashion back then was about making things work. In high school, I grew my skills by cutting and customizing my shirts and making costumes for my class. It is also when I started saving up for a mini sewing machine and learned how to sew by watching YouTube tutorials. I started making clothes from scratch and repurposing old clothes. In college, I was designing clothes for my family, my sister, and my mom. And that is also when I started modeling, and that is when the doors opened up for me for fashion. I connected with creatives who encouraged me to explore fashion styling and custom making. And in my previous pageants, that is when I truly embraced fashion sustainability. I used a 75 peso scarf, knitted scarf, to make a Filipiniana dress I actually wore earlier in the closer view. I also upstyled my cultural costume and made a pink Filipiniana. For those pieces signifies that fashion can be both stunning and sustainable. But I think fashion industry is not really that good because it is one of the biggest polluters. It produces 92 million tons of textile waste every year. It also contributes to 10% of the global carbon emission. And I think that is the reason why my advocacy with the of change, transforming fashion sustainability through upcycling is important now more than ever. Because I believe that small choices like upstyling your clothes and choosing thrifted fashion will make big changes. I plan to organize swaps, DIY seminars, and collaborate with local designers to make sustainable clothing more accessible. Because I believe that fashion is not about what we wear, it's actually about what world we create. And as Miss World Philippines Batanes candidate, I aspire to inspire the youth and the people to see the fashion's potential for its creativity, sustainability, and empowerment. And with the hashtag beauty with a purpose, I believe that we can weave a future where fashion does not transform just